Hey friends, today I'm doing a tutorial for Gomukhasana or cow face legs. For those with knee injuries or anything going on in your hips, this tends to be a really tough one, so I really wanted to break down a few tips that could help you out getting this pose. So there are a few different ways to get into Gomukhasana or cow face legs. I'll show you one of my favorite ways to get into it, really simple way to practice. I also recommend having something on hand to sit up on, like a block or a blanket. I myself am sitting up on one of the blue blocks. Start by taking your foot towards your opposite hip and laying your knee down. Then taking your other leg and setting your foot across your thigh. So this is setting up for Ardha Matsyendrasana or half Lord of the Fishes. You might recognize this from the twist. And then to go from Ardha Matsyendrasana legs into cow face legs. So slide that foot back and flip your foot under so that you can slide your knees so that they stack. Now you might be thinking, Emily, there's no way I can get them to stack. And you know what? That's okay. The nice thing is that you don't have to take your foot all the way far back. You can bring it out a little bit further, and if knees don't stack perfectly, that's totally fine. As long as you're feeling sensation and opening through your hip as they rotate outwards, that's great. As long as you can keep both sit bones rooted evenly, that's perfect too. The other tip that I have is if even this is really not working for you and you notice that there's strong sensations, especially in that bottom knee, it's a good plan to extend that bottom leg. What's nice is that you'll still get the sensations in the top leg for the hip opening, and you'll get a nice release along the back of the leg and your hamstring with the extended leg. So it's a bit of a different sensation, a bit of a different pose, but very similar intention and very accessible. And you can also stack your knees right here. It's a great way to do it. So I hope those tips helped you. If you found that it was great for you, if you still find that there's anything with Gomukhasana that you have questions about, please leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and make sure that you feel supported with Gomukhasana.